Guys, take a look at this. I don't even know who's gonna see this, but I'm definitely gonna have to block this out for sure. Not sure if you could even see that. My nails are so long, I never cut my nails or anything. Take a look at that real quick. So it's Friday, right? Wait, hold on, let me get in focus. Friday the 27th of May. Today is my best day as an entrepreneur possible in sales. I am so excited. I've just got off the call. It's literally still rendering right now. Take a look at this. Call is still rendering right now. I want to just document this moment. Honestly, guys, like it's literally nuts. I don't even know who I'm speaking to. Am I speaking to myself here? Probably. Whew! I've literally made, right? I have to just quickly go into this. Jeez Louise, look, opening my Stripe, by the way. Look, Face ID is not gonna recognize it, but I'm just gonna quickly show you that this is legit. But like, take a look at this. I don't even know if that's gonna focus. I literally have made £4,800, £4,811 today alone. That's just today. Literally today. Absolutely nuts. Literally nuts. Month to date is, there's what, 22.9k there. 22,000 pounds, 22,900 pounds, but there's actually 400 and something pounds on on PayPal as well. So guys, this is fucking insane. Closed 2 clients today, and I had 2 agency transportation sales as well. So they're actually not. So 2 consulting clients I closed today, $2,500 each. Then I've got 2 agents from Truth. Can't even speak. Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is so crazy. I think my best day before this was a 3.6k day, 3.7k day or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but I'll probably have to go back. But this has literally been my best day as an entrepreneur, the most money I've ever made in a single day. And the funny thing is, I literally woke up, right, at 3 p.m. today. Because last night I recorded a huge module of age limitation, which was actually week 4, module 5, which was like the that was like lead sourcing alchemy part 2. We kind of broke that down. It's a 1 hour and 45 minute long module, and I recorded it late last night because I had loads of calls yesterday, and I ended up going to bed like super late. I actually ended up having to order food because I didn't even eat, so I went to bed like super late. And that just kind of killed my entire day. And I just was in bed, and I was like, the funny thing is when I was in bed, it was like 1 a.m. I got an age limitation sale come through. That was the first sale. Then I woke up 10 minutes before a call, in my pajamas, closed a consulting client for $2,500. Then as I was in the shower, so I closed that, jumped in the shower, come out the shower, I was just about to check my phone, boom, another age limitation sale came through. Then as I thingy, that was like 3 hours ago, something like that. And then what happened was I jumped on a call just now, closed another client for $2,500, a consulting client, and that just literally came through straight away, straight paid up straight up front. So that's £4,811. I'm not even sure what that is in USD, so I'm just gonna quickly do that in USD. 4,800 in USD. That is literally 6,000 USD in a single day. It's actually $6,071 in a single day. I don't even think you know how nuts that is. Like, that's literally, right? My rent, put it this way, the rent on this apartment that I'm sat in right now, £725 a month. Times that by 6 months. That's literally 6 months worth of rent. More than 6 months, just under 7 months worth of rent in a single day. Oh, what an absolute day this is. Not only that, but to make it all better, we actually got invited to a celebrity after party as well. My friend, one of my best friends, Sheldon, actually has a friend called Daniel. It's actually living in Manchester. He got invited to a celebrity party, and he said that he's allowed to bring plus ones and stuff like that in Manchester. I was literally just there last week. This time last week, it was actually Saturday. Last week was my actual my little brother's birthday. I was in Manchester that week. Then a week before that was in Manchester as well. So we've been in Manchester 3 times in literally 3 weeks. Well, we're gonna be in Manchester 3 times in literally 3 weeks. So this is absolutely insane, guys. Couldn't ask for a better day on the way to Manchester. Like, literally. And I've got a sneaky feeling another sale is gonna come through. For some reason, I just feel like I've just been blessed with sales today. So I feel like another sales actually just gotta come through. But like, honestly, guys, absolutely insane day. £4,811. Consulting, building a personal brand, one of the most important things you could ever do. Just wanted to document this one really quickly, guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this one up, to be honest with you, but I just wanted to just quickly grab the camera, because I literally was just like, I was on a call, close, and as soon as the call went, I was like, yes, let's go. I don't know what was wrong with me. Just because I knew it was my record and stuff like that. Not to be like it's all about the money, but honestly, guys, like making this much amount of money in a single day, I never thought this was even possible. Literally. Didn't even wake up at 6:30 or 7:30, 7:30 a.m. because I changed my wake up time from 6:30 to 7:30. I didn't even wake up at 7:30 a.m. today. I woke up late, so late that I had a call at 3 p.m. It was actually 3:10. Woke up at 3 p.m. Jumped up, put a hat on real quick. Didn't even brush my teeth. That's disgusting. Didn't even brush my own teeth. Jumped on a call. Literally closed the consulting client for $2,500. Helping them build out the kind of like agency, put systems in place, that sort of stuff. So when I say consulting business is better than SMA, I actually genuinely mean that. If you want to go from 0 to 10K with agency stuff, that's completely fine. You can do that. If you want to go from 0 to 100K with agency stuff, you can 100% do that. But like for me, I like this feeling inside where it's kind of like I've closed $2,500 clients for my agency and stuff like that, but I don't normally get this excited. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm actually doing something I genuinely love to do. Agency pays the cash. Agency pays the bills, if you will. But then when it comes to consulting, that is where I leave my legacy. Think about it. When I'm dead and gone, no one's gonna really remember me for the agency I built. If I really think about it, no one's gonna really think, oh, like Montel was doing 50K per month for his agency. That's cool. No one's gonna really remember that. But when I do die, from all the people that I've coached and been a mentor to, and people that I've inspired and they look up to me, they're always going to remember my name, because I remember my mentors' names. For example, like Sam Ovens. Sam Ovens doesn't even know who I am, doesn't even know I exist at this particular point. He will do soon. Hopefully he will do soon. But you know, he doesn't even know I exist, and he's been able to impact my life to the point where I literally to this day still have his posters posted on my wall and stuff like that. Like in my bedroom, there's literally a poster in my wall of like one of his pinups that he's from one of his programs called Consulting Accelerator. Like he doesn't even know who I am, but yet he's been able to affect me. And the way how I think, the way how I even have my morning routines and stuff like that, and the way how I kind of like want to build my business, I always have like, it's kind of come from him, if you will. The kind of like mindset, the way how he changed me as a person. That was like he was one of the big guys I listened to. So like, I have a lot to owe him, and he doesn't even know I exist. So when, for example, Jesus would have known that sort of stuff. When Sam passes on into the next life, if you will, I'm still always gonna remember Sam Ovens as being my mentor. Literally, somebody I looked up to, somebody who really helped me, somebody who changed my life. And that's what I'm chasing right there. The consulting business does this for you. Agency stuff, let me give you an example. Both these two clients I just closed, the consulting clients, for $2,500 each, right? Both of them paid me right there and then on the call, and then thanked me for allowing them to jump into the program. In fact, just as I was ending that call just then, the dude I just kind of like, quote unquote close and took on as a consulting client, I don't really like using the word close, but you took on as a consulting client. But by the way, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Honestly, one of the dream clients I could possibly imagine. Very, very nice dude. Both of them from Florida as well, by the way. So two dudes from Florida, two separate dudes, completely different. I don't know if they know. I doubt they know each other. But both of them were saying thank you and stuff like that. And the call I just had then, we were literally just speaking at the end. Even though the sale was, complete and whatnot, he completed the payment. I was walking him through some stuff, and he literally said to me, Montel, I appreciate you doing your YouTube videos. I appreciate that you're one of the only dudes out there on YouTube that does long form like videos where you explain stuff and you actually don't really miss out anything. You actually explain like that. You actually try to help people. Like, do you think I've ever had that from like an agency client? Agency is good, don't get me wrong, guys, but there's better business models out there, is what I'm trying to say. Done for you is good, agency's life is good, but this right here is like my legacy. This is what I dreamt of, to be honest with you. This feels like, agency feels like work. Agency feels like I have to work for it, I'm fighting for it. These two clients I just closed today, all four of them, if you will, because there was 2 agent reputation sales and there were two consulting clients. Not once did I reach out to them. They came to me. They came to me, they looked up to me, they knew who I was. They were saying that this dude literally said that he went back from on my YouTube channel and watched my very first video. Do you know how nuts that is, guys? He literally went and watched my first ever video and watched pretty much all of them, and he held off from buying my program like two weeks ago, just so he could watch my YouTube videos to catch up with like where I'm at right now and kind of like catch up and get a feel for what's going on. Honestly, guys, these are the sorts of clients I want to make sure that I bust my ass for. And I even swore him an oath. I literally swore him that I'm going to do everything in my power to help him scale his agency to like 10K per month plus. Do whatever I need to do. If he needs me to help him build a personal brand out, if he needs me to help him build out scripts, if he needs me to help him with his sales, it doesn't even matter what I'm helping him with. I'll always be able to help this guy. I always remember these people, if you will. So honestly, guys, like that sort of love there, the passion there, I don't really get that from the agency stuff. I mean, the agency is good and all, that's for cash flow, but it's like when I wake up in the morning, I don't think of running Facebook ads for e-com brands. It's like, oh yeah, let's run some more Facebook ads for e-com brands. I know I'm only doing that for cash. For the cash flow, if you will. Not to disrespect my clients or anything like that. I still love my clients. It's just that with the consulting stuff, it's like literally I feel like I'm making an impact on the world and actually changing people's lives. There's people that have literally dropped work, quit work, and there's people that have literally quit their jobs that they didn't even want to go to. There's people that have dropped out of university and college and stuff like that, and now they never need to worry about a degree ever again. There's people that have literally gone from living broke in their mum's apartment to literally living in their penthouse, living in their own penthouse in a completely different country. I literally have students that have like 4 or 5 Rolexes. I literally have students that have like 2 Porsches. That's like on their second Porsche. Guys, this is insane. It's insane stuff. You don't get this with the agency stuff. Don't get me wrong, agency is good, and if you want, it depends on what you want for yourself, if you will. Because I mean, with agency, you can build out a really nice business and have like really passive income and stuff like that, which is cool because both of them do that. Don't get me wrong, I've made 10K per month, for example, there's been times where I've made 10K per month from the agency and stuff like that, and 10K per month from consulting, and for some reason, I've always preferred making a 10K per month from, it's the same money, this is what I'm saying, it's the same net profit, the exact same, not a penny different, if you will, very, 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 very similar, maybe a couple $100 in between or whatever, but long story short, it's pretty much the exact same figures, but I've always enjoyed myself more doing the consulting, because I feel like that's the business I want to grow and and leave behind as a legacy. If I'm wrong for that, then I'm wrong for that. If I'm not, then I'm gonna go out and pursue this. Honestly, guys, that's how I'm feeling right now. So hyped up, so pumped up. SMA, lovely business. But this is I found my thing, if you will. I think I found my thing. This is my thing, if you will. So honestly, guys, love you all. I don't know if I'm ever even gonna post this, but this is absolutely been just crazy. I can't even speak right now. Go and start your consulting business. Go and start a personal brand. Solve a problem for yourself and then help other people solve that. It doesn't even need to be coaching on how to make money online. It could be coaching on all sorts of things. With me, it just so happens to help other people start online businesses. That's the thing I'm passionate about. It's not even SMA in general. I'm passionate about just helping somebody start some sort of online business in general. I just want them to make money online. I just want to help people make money online in some way, shape or form, because I know what it's like going from broke to making good money. Literally. So that's what I'm passionate about. Anyway, guys, hope you're doing well. Honestly, this is insane. Like, comment, and subscribe if I do drop this on YouTube. Love you guys. Peace.